Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. We got two new dogs, a pug and a chihuahua. The chihuahua likes to lay in my lap and it likes me to pet it, and it's a wonderful dog. It's lovable and it is a nice dog. The pug, it likes petted and stuff, and likes all of the attention. So I try to give them both the attention. Like I said, got two new dogs, a chihuahua and a pug. And at the end of the month, I'll show you a new LP vinyl record, but that will be at the end of each month. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather, doing pretty good. Today it was nice and cool. Tonight's nice and cool as well. And today I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, later eat my dinner, watch a movie, go to bed, get back up, and try to do a collection for you tomorrow. But tonight I wanted to let you know about the two new dogs. And always remember, at the end of each month, I'll show you one new LP vinyl record. But that will be at the end of each month. And for those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And always remember to always do your best in life, because life is short. And always remember, tell a friend about the channel. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. And always remember, all of the items is all original, none's compilation. Now, some of the albums are remakes on newer vinyl, but the recordings are original. And always remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.